ysay. So we are here in Jasper National Park and we are going to Patricia Lake. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and press the like and smash that thumb button down below. So do it now, pause the video, then do all of them, okay?
And we have somebody.
We have a new guest here, which is
Our new member of the travel club, Oliver. He's sleeping. He's over traveling with our little baby.
Yup,
So we'll see you.
at Patricia Lake. Bye. Guys, my brother's crying, so we stopped by because we saw some mountain goats over here. I'll show you. So the
Hello again guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you love traveling, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because we do a lot of travels here on my channel and I post every travel vlogs every Tuesday. So yes, join me in my little community and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So today's vlog, we are on our way to the Patricia and Pyramid Lakes here at Jasper National Park. So yes, hello to our little baby here, our little traveler. So we are on our way and just enjoying the beautiful scenery of the Jasper National Parks on our way. Part of the Canadian Rocky Mountains, Jasper has no shortage of beautiful sights, and one of the most accessible places to experience all Jasper is known for its Pyramid and Patricia Lakes. At these two lakes, just 8 kilometers from the Jasper town site, you can experience Jasper's subalpine forest, Rocky Mountain peaks, comprehensive trail network, and the largest of any Canadian national park, and frequent wildlife sightings. The first lake you'll come to when driving Pyramid Lake Road is Patricia Lake. Hey yo! Vlogging again! Back to business!
Wala na yung lingkod ng bangko.
And hello! So we're here with our baby and Kuya Ethan. Say hi, Ethan. So we're here at Patricia Lake. You need to have a stop and snap some pictures of Pyramid Mountain reflecting in the waters of Patricia Lake. It's just so awesome. And if you're in a mood for an easy hike, take the 3.4 kilometers Patricia Lake North Loop, which follows near the shoreline for part of the hike. Patricia Lake is not only beautiful, it has an interesting history too. During the World War II, a prototype was built here for an unsinkable aircraft carrier. It was made for pyrocrite, a mixture of wood pulp and ice. The project was abandoned and the ship was left to sink in the place, and the remains of the model were found in the 1970s. A short ways up the road from Patricia Lake is the Pyramid Lake. A highlight of visiting Pyramid Lake is taking a walk on a pyramid island. It's very small and it only takes a few minutes to walk around the entire island, so there's plenty of time for enjoying the views. The Pyramid Island is also a great place to have a picnic, but if you didn't pack a lunch, you can grab a bite to eat at the Pyramid Lake Resort, where every seat in the house has a great view of Pyramid Lake. You should check their website for the restaurant hours because I think they vary. And when we arrived just afternoon, the staff wasn't sure if they were open for lunch or not. For activities, there are several trails in the area for hiking and mountain biking. There's also a sandy beach and shoreline picnic sites at Pyramid Lake. The Pyramid Lake Resort has canoe, kayak, and paddle boat rentals. And in the winter, there's a large skating rink cleared on the Pyramid Lake and cross-country ski trails. And yes, wildlife here at Jasper National Park never fails. You will always see a wildlife, and this buck here is very huge. And I think it frequents the area as well. And we are going to the Pyramid Island. This is the short trail going to that island. It has a bridge crossing the lake, and yeah, it has a very beautiful view, so keep watching. And this is where you can rent the canoe and enjoy some water activities here at the Pyramid Lake. So they are for rent. So just inquire at the Pyramid Resort for the rentals. And we're back again with this beautiful, awesome wildlife. And of course, to end our trip, we were down to the Jasper town looking for food. And before we leave the area, we have to have a sumptuous dinner. And then we're going back to our place. So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I think also this place, if you like Korean, this place is very good too, a very delicious meal. So enjoy and keep safe, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care and keep safe.